Here we are going to draw a pair of tangents to a circle which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degrees. So see here, BT and AT are two tangents to the circle with this point T, and both tangents inclined to each other at 60 degrees. Now see here with this figure, OATB is a quadrilateral in which this is 60 degree and this is 90 degree, because radius is perpendicular to the tangent to the point of contact. Here also see here this radius and this tangent at any point of the circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. So this is 90, this is 90, this is 60. So according to the sum property of a quadrilateral, sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. So this is 120 degrees. Now let us see how we are going to draw these tangents. So take a problem, draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 centimeters which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. Draw a circle of radius 5 centimeter. For this, take a center O, and with O as center, draw a circle of radius 5 centimeter. Open your compass with a radius 5 centimeter. After this, tangents are inclined at 60 degree. So radius angle between the radii of the circle is 120 degree. So draw the radius OA. And we have to draw other radius OB which incline to each other at an angle of 120 degrees. So here we are drawing 120 degrees. So with OS center at any convenient radius, draw an arc which intersects the line at X with X as center, and the same radius, draw another arc which crosses first arc at Y. With Y as center and same radius, draw another arc which crosses the first arc at Z. Now join OZ. Now this is 120 degree because XZ arc makes 120 degree with O, center O. XZ arc, see, X to Z arc makes 120 degree with the center. So we have drawn 120 degree at the center. Then we have to draw 90 degree angles at A and B. So at A, draw 90 degree angles. So with the center A and any convenient radius, draw an arc which intersects the line OA at some point, say it U. With U as center and same radius, draw another arc which intersects the previous arc at V. And then with center V and same radius, draw another arc which intersects the first arc at W. Then with center V and W, draw arcs which crosses each other. So with centers V and W, here we can change the radius. So both arc crosses at M. Now join AM. So OAM is 90 degree, and this is the tangent, this line. AM is the tangent line. Similarly, we have to draw 90 degree at point B. So with B as center, draw an arc and mark it as P where it intersects with line segment OB. With P as center, draw an arc, same radius, and mark it as Q. With Q as a center, make an arc and mark it as R with same radius. Now bisect QR. So here you can change the radius with center Q and R and any convenient radius. With Q and R, same radius. Draw two arcs which cross each other, and that point take as S. So BS is a tangent. Now extend BS and it crosses line, first tangent line AM, and see that point is, you can name it as T, and see automatically this becomes 60 degrees. We have not drawn 60 degree, we have drawn 120 degree, we have drawn 90 degree at A and B, and O at 120 degree. Automatically T will be 60 degree because of angle sum property of a quadrilateral OATB. So angle T is 60 degree. So we have constructed a pair of tangents TB and TA which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. We have drawn a pair of tangents from point T to this circle. So this circle O is drawn, and to this circle pair of tangents TB and TA is drawn. So TB and TA is a pair of tangent and both are inclined at 60 degree. Now see in this quadrilateral BOAT, angle T is 60 degree which is given, and OB is radius and BT is a tangent. So radius is perpendicular to the tangent through the point of contact. So this is 90 degree. Similarly, this is tangent. So tangent at any point on the circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. So this is also 90 degree. So this is 90, this is 90 and 60. So in this quadrilateral, sum of the quadrilateral angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So all three known. A is known to us, T is also known, and B is also known 90 degree. So in that way we can calculate O. So O plus A plus T plus B equals 360 degree. So angle O equals transpose A TB to other side, right hand side. Now A, fill this value 90, A is 90, T is 60, so fill T is 60, and then B is 90. So we have got angle O equal 120 degree. Now we have constructed, first of all we have constructed angle O. So OA we have drawn any radius, and then we have constructed angle O, and at point B and at point A we have constructed 90 degree, and both line AT and BT meet at point T. So automatically this becomes 60 degree. So in that way, first of all we have constructed 120 degree, angle O 120 degree, then at A and B we have constructed 90 degree and they meet at point T, and that point is the meeting point of the, from that is an external point from where tangent is drawn. So that is 60 degree. Now see, now join OT. So quadrilateral is divided into two triangles, this and this. Now we check BOT triangle and triangle OAT. Now OT is equal to OT, that is hypot, because this is 90 degree, opposite side of 90 degree is hypot. So this is common, both are equal. These two sides OB and OA are equal, they are the radii of the same circle. And see, this angle is 90 degree, angle B is 90 degree, and angle A is 90 degree. So these two triangles are congruent due to RHS. So OBT is congruent to OAT by RHS. So this angle that is BOT equals AOT, and it is half of 120 degree because corresponding parts of congruent triangles, these two angles are equal, and it is half of 120 degree, so it is 60 degree. So angle BOT is 60 degree. Now angle BOT, apply tan 60 degree because this is 90 degree. So BOT, angle B is a right angle triangle at B. So apply tan 60. Tan 60 is perpendicular upon hypot. So this is 60. Opposite side of this is BT, that is perpendicular, and perpendicular upon base. So BT upon BO. BT upon BO. So tan 60 equal BT upon BO. So here see, tan 60 equal BT upon BO, or OB you can say. So tan 60 is √3, BT we don't know, and BO is the radius of the circle. So BT is 5√3. BT is 5√3. Similarly in this triangle, that triangle is also congruent also. So BT and AT both are 5√3. So a pair of tangents can be drawn to a circle from an external point T outside the circle, and these two tangents are equal in length. So tangents are drawn from an external point T, TB and TA are tangents and they are equal.